Hey friends, I wanted to show you a little trick that I usually end up using to keep my fittings tight, as it were. It's the ode to the shim. So I have this, these collar shouldered washers that they're not the right size because after the last crash I had, those things get obliterated into they warp into another dimension. You'll never find them. They're probably on the street somewhere, but you'll never find them. So I improvised and I found something that was kind of like it. It's the wrong size. So and there's also a little bit of slop. So to get rid of the slop, I'm gonna use a shim. And this shim is made out of basically just any kind of paper you can find. And I'm just going to butt it in there and hope it sets itself in. And maybe it'll pack itself down into that kind of loose shouldered collar. So let's see. So here's I have one in here as well, but you can see this one kind of has a little bit of jigglies. Now this one should be loose enough. Let's double check.
I have it loose enough.
Okay, yeah. So this is just like a really easy to turn. So now we're gonna check how much play there is. There's like little to no play. The play is like down here. So after packing it up, it it kind of keeps everything in check. Nice and tight. All right, that's my tip. Hope this helps.